today's video. No, I'm just kidding, bro. Hi guys, thanks so much for stopping back by my channel. Guys, so today's video, I'm going to be doing my first ever Coach unboxing. Nor have I ever owned a Coach handbag. So I really wanted to come on here and show you a gorgeous luxury handbag. I needed a new purse. Well, I didn't need a new purse, but I wanted a new purse and I wanted something that I could carry to work like every single day. And I wanted something that was still high-end, luxury, classic, and real leather, and that was gonna really hold up to its value. The day I had found my Kate Spade marble bag, that one right there, I had stopped into the Coach store. So I already was eyeing something. I'm gonna do my first unboxing. So yeah, let's go into it. So guys, I did get 2 bags. So let me show you the first one. Everything comes wrapped really gorgeous in here. So first thing I want to show you is this gorgeous table. This is like a wristlet. This is the Nolita handbag, and this is in black with the gold chain. It is, I want to say, about the size of a Pochette mini, maybe, by Louis Vuitton. But of course, I think that one is like $600, and it's like maybe even smaller than this. But this is the infamous Lolita, which comes with a beautiful pebbled green leather. So the leather definitely has some texture to it, but it's a smooth, soft texture. You know what I mean? It comes with a beautiful zipper. The zipper on here is gorgeous. It just zips across and it opens inside. Inside I have my care cards and my silica pack. Now you can wear this as it is. I am small enough arms where I can kind of throw it over my shoulder, which sometimes I do like to wear it like that. Or you can just carry it like on the neck of your arm. Hi, get down. Okay, get down, okay? Or you could wear this bag like a wristlet. But I honestly don't like the look of it. You can just carry it by the chain like this. But I really don't like carrying it like this. I don't. I like carrying it like the way that I believe it was designed to be carried. But I do like that you have the option to carry it that way if you choose to. But like I said, I will be carrying mine like this. Okay guys, so the next thing I want to show you is actually, I could not help myself, but I had to throw this in here, but I wanted to share and show you. I ended up getting the Coach New York fragrance for women. This is the Eau de Toilette, and it is the pink one. It always smells really good. Let me show you guys. It's so cute. Looks like this. Oh, it smells so good. I hate wasting perfume, but I'm wearing this now and it smells too freaking divine. Like, it smells too good to be true. Like, this is so awesome. So, the next thing that I want to unbox for you guys, I went in and I got the second handbag. Can you guys believe it? Yeah, so Coach was having like a sort of semi-annual sale slash just some really great handbags that were marked down, and I'm gonna unbox this one for you. Black box with a beautiful chocolate bow, and so I'm gonna open this on camera with you guys and do it. So it comes wrapped into a tissue paper. The box is brown. I love black and brown. Coach has given it to me with all this gorgeous black and brown. Unwrap it. So I got, no idea. I have Coach items. I'm like literally proud of myself. This is beautiful, gorgeous bag. This is a wallet on chain. So this is a clutch slash wallet slash crossbody handbag. It's accordion style on the bottom. It's a very slender. Guys, I know you're gonna kill me because I don't know the size and the dimensions, but I will literally list them down below. Okay, just admire the beautiful bag and the detailing. This is the Callie cross fold or something fold, but it'll be listed down below. And then if you open her insides like this, beautiful gold hardware and beautiful ox blood red. And you're not gonna tell me this is not a luxury handbag or a luxury piece with the stitching inside. You also have your chain, and then you have part slots for all your cards back here. How beautiful is that? And then, you know, you have this part for whatever, and then you can put cash money in the inside, and it also comes with a care card. So it's very functional. This is slender than my Michael Kors Deco, metallic Deco bag I had. Really love this bag. I think it's gorgeous, and not to mention, you guys, that comes with a back pocket. Do you guys see that? This is an amazing handbag, and something about it gives me very like vintage like vibes. This bag retailed for a lot, but I got a good sale price on it. It's definitely the most luxe I've ever bought, and it has a little pig sticker. He gave me a little sticker. My guy Aaron, I think his name was Eric or Aaron. Either way, he was amazing. Okay, his name was Eric. And the Nolita, okay, so this one, first I felt bad for buying 2 Coach bags, and then I was like, wait a minute, no I don't. The Nolita I paid $50 for, and the Deco quilt Callie brass is the tone of the hardware, it's brass gold. It was it was $325. This was $325. I got it for $130. So all in all, I paid $180, $194 with tax. So I paid about $200 for both of these amazing pieces, and literally I am so happy. And if you guys want to see what's in my bag video or how I transition from purse to purse, let me know down below. Guys, I love making handbag videos. I didn't know I would enjoy making handbag videos, but I do. So yeah, and I just can't wait to model it and wear it and show it for you guys. Alright guys, so that's gonna have to wrap it up for this video. If you enjoyed my Coach unboxing, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel because there's gonna be a lot more that I can't wait to put out for you guys. And also I am open to any recommendations. So once again guys, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.